He saw the sky darken inexplicably, felt the earth shake violently beneath his feet, sensed the panic of those around him, and heard Jesus' final words. Unlike other condemned men who died cursing or begging for mercy, Jesus gave up his spirit with dignity and authority, saying, "It is finished." Matthew's Gospel records his reaction. When the centurion and those with him who were guarding Jesus saw the earthquake and all that had happened, they were terrified and exclaimed, "Surely he was the Son of God."